Hello everyone, I hope you're doing great. In this video, I want to explain how to add a custom wallpaper to your smartwatch from your phone's gallery using the HRY Fine app. The first thing you need to do is make sure that your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. After that, press and hold the HRY Fine app icon, select App Info, then go to Permissions, enable Location and Storage. This will allow the HRY Fine app to access your gallery photos and sync them to your smartwatch. Next, open the app and make sure that your smartwatch is connected. If you don't know how to connect it, I've left a link to a tutorial in the pinned comment so you can check it out. Once your smartwatch is connected to your phone, go to the Dial option, select DIY Dial, and then choose Select Picture. This will open your phone's gallery, where you can pick any photo you want. Adjust the settings as needed, and then tap Save and Use. That's it. Now you'll have your own custom wallpaper set on your smartwatch using the HRY Fine app. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.